going on out there, YouTube, man? As you guys know, I told you guys, man, back in 2019 that I was starting a trucking school and that I was on the hunt to buy an actual semi truck. I never bought a semi truck before. All of my trucks I've ever bought was Ram 3500s because that's what I use for my actual trucking company. Hot Shots 3500 40-foot big tex trailers. So right now I'm in Florida. Yesterday I was just riding down the street and I end up seeing a semi truck pretty much on the side of the road, and I went over and checked it out and I end up calling the guy. So he's going to meet me here in a minute to actually open up the doors and start up this semi truck. It's a 2011 Volvo. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick this Volvo, and I believe it got like 500,000 miles on it. Like I say, I'm not really looking for a semi truck that can run coast to coast on the highway. I'm just looking for a semi truck that can get the job done with my actual trucking school. You know what I'm saying? So something that could pretty much just basically teach my actual students on how to drive a truck. So here's the actual semi truck right there. Like I say, it's a 2011 Volvo. Look like it got brand new tires on it, or they might not be brand new, but they look pretty decent. Got some good, yeah, they pretty much decent. Look pretty brand new to me. I'm no mechanic, so I'm gonna have to get me a mechanic out here. I could do small things, but I'm definitely not a diesel mechanic, and I'm definitely not a mechanic to be looking at no semi truck to know what's good and what's bad. But I could tell you the body looks pretty solid though. Body looking pretty solid on it. No dings really. No dents. 2011 Volvo. Let me see, it might be some details up here real quick. So we got 2011 Volvo, 583,000 miles, 10-speed E manual transmission, Volvo D13 engine, and guys asking 27,000 OBO or best offer. Had to jump down. So I'm gonna wait till he get over here and open up this door, crank it up for me, get me a diesel mechanic to come out and see what he's talking about. I already did my research on 2011s when it comes to the price. They're ranging anywhere from about 15 to about 25,000. So I'm not for sure on how much I'm willing to give him at the moment, depending on once I get my mechanic out here and also how it drives. But I can tell you, I'm not about to give him what he wants, you know. So I'm looking anywhere from about 15 to 20,000, you know. So for you guys out there who got Volvos or 2000, if you guys got a 2011 Volvo or something like that, or somewhere in that area, you know, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about Volvos. And also for you guys out there that's semi truck savvy, leave a comment below. Let me know how much you guys would pay for it once I let you guys know how it's running and if it has any type of mechanical problems out there. So I'm gonna wait till he pull up and then I'll resume this content once we get it started up. Hey, so the actual owner pulled up. I was able to open up the door. I was able to start it up. It started right up. Inside was clean. Seats was clean. You know, no rips, no holes in the seats. The actual sleeper area, double bunk, clean. Wasn't too bad. You know, on the inside, everything worked. AC worked, heat worked, all the lights worked. But like I say, I'm no mechanic. So I'm only going to really gain that confidence once an actual mechanic come out and check it out for me. So like I say, you want like 26 OBO, 26 or 27 OBO. I'm willing to give about 15 to 20,000. And he told me just to text him with my actual offer. So I'm gonna go ahead and offer him something a little bit low. It's always good to negotiate a course and give them the lowest price. So you never know. You never know if they gonna jump on it, you know, so don't give them too much. This is my first truck, my first semi truck, you know, that I actually came out to look at since I told myself I was gonna start my trucking school. So I'm down in Florida now, and like I say, this is my first semi truck, and plenty more to come. You know, when you got the money in, and when you're ready to spend it, don't be in a rush. You know, be patient. So I don't want to just go jump on this truck and then maybe somewhere down the road is something better, give me more bang for my buck. You know, so like I say, if you guys have any comments, if you guys have drove a Volvo before, if you guys have a Volvo, you know, leave comments below. Let me know what you guys think about the Volvo. Let me know what you guys think about the price. Let me know what you guys think about the truck out there, you know. So I'm counting on some of you guys out there that are the experts when it comes to semi trucks. So like I say, man, if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up on my email, broker@managedtrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Trans and Financial Services. If you guys are looking for a factoring service out there, CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.